Well, good afternoon. Thank you for visiting my channel. So today's project is I got to chip all this brush. I cut these trees down yesterday and so now I'm going to chip them. I've got a brand spanking new Woodland Mills chipper that I bought last summer. It came in a big crate and I had to put the thing together. It took me a few hours to put it together, and it's got really good reviews. They're not sponsoring this video in any way, but I think it looks like a good solid chipper. It'll chip up to 4 inches, I believe. Now, I kind of laugh now when I think about it because there was a time when I was a professional tree cutter. I had my own tree business, and I had a chipper that would chip that big. I don't know, what's that, 14, 16 inches? You can actually have a winch to pull the wood right into the chipper. And pretty impressive, some of these larger chippers. But I used to laugh at people that had these little chippers. I used to think to myself, what is that? Well, now I'm a homeowner and I'm one of those guys. I have this little chipper. So we're going to try it out and we'll see how it goes. Like I say, I cut down these trees yesterday and I want to clean it all up. I think for now, I'm just going to blow the chips in the bush. I'm going to be cleaning up brush, making trails through the bush, and when I do, then I'll be blowing chips on the trails. But for now, I have no trails and I don't want to move all this brush all over the place, so I'm just going to blow it into the bush. So what we'll do is we'll go check the chipper out. We'll fire it up. Like I say, it's been sitting there for a year. I fired it up in the fall and it was running. Kind of hoping it's going to start for me today. If it doesn't start, well then I'll get into a different project. So what the plan is chip all this brush, and then in the process I'll get my ATV out with my trailer. I'll load up all the wood and we'll get this area cleaned up, and then I'm going to start cutting down some of the dead stuff that's near the driveway. We'll clean it up. Over on the other side of the driveway we've got some trees that are dead, need to come down. I won't be getting to that today though, but today we're just going to take care of the brush here and we're going to clean this mess up. So follow along and we'll see how it goes.
gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn, fishing with your buddies going. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn, fishing with your buddies going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company.
Well, looks like she ran out of gas. That's fine. Clean some of this wood then.
Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I
there you go. What's cleaned up? The worst of the brush is cleaned up. The rest of the brush, I'm just going to pile it. I'm going to start pulling it out of the edges of the along the edge of the driveway and start pulling it out and piling it. And I got quite a bit, so I'll just chip that on another day. But overall, I'm pleased with the chipper. I would definitely recommend it. Like I say, it's nothing compared to what I used to have, but for me, for a homeowner, it's a nice little machine. Well, we got it all done. This is basically the end result. Got all the brush chipped up. I chipped it all into the bush here. It sort of helps make it look a little bit cleaner. I still got to pull these stumps out yet, and I may widen this driveway as well right in here. But the trees are down, the hazard's down. I've got no large trees near the house now, which means in the winter time, I don't have to worry about, or even in storms, I don't have to worry about any trees falling on the roof. If anything did fall on the house, it's not big enough to do any damage anyways. So she's all cleaned up, and it's important that you keep those trees away from your off-grid home. It's important to keep those limbs, the branches, just whatever you've got, hazards near your house. It's just nice to get rid of all those things. I can actually sleep better at nighttime now knowing that big dead tree is gone. That tree that was standing there was probably 50 feet high, maybe a little more. If that thing would have come down, it would have damaged my shed, or it would have wrecked the shed, and it would have damaged my steel roof. If you get a shingle roof and it gets damaged, well, you can replace some shingles, I suppose. But when you get a steel roof, it's a little bit harder to do. So it's just nice to have it gone. I don't need to worry about it anymore. And this year, I can just do this whenever I get around to it. I've got 3 dump truck loads of gravel up front. I'm going to level this whole area out. And while I'm in the process, I may do something here just to sort of clean this up as well. I'm actually thinking about maybe on the edge of the bush here, maybe plant some daffodils or something. They'll get sun, they'll get shade. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Anyways, you guys take care, and we'll talk to you in the next video.